tune in to Saturday Morning Q. So we're going to talk about oral health and wellness. It's one of the most important parts of taking care of, yes, ourselves. But here's a great way to do it from Philips Sonicare. This is their cordless flosser. But what's awesome is you are going to get the quad stream nozzle that gives you this gentle cover. It is so gentle on the gums. It feels like an amazing massage. And all those popcorn kernels or the little pieces of broccoli or the little bits of chips that get caught in between your teeth, your dentures, your bridges, you can easily take care of them in some of the best ways. In a matter of a minute, you can move 99.98% of your plaque, 99.9% of plaque versus just traditional brushing. So you've got two great colors to choose from. You can grab it in the white in our cordless, like cord-free flosser. And then we also have the mint. Now what's really cool, you have the opportunity, we've got a $10 rebate on this. So first of all, it's a big deal price, should be $85. We're at $69.98, and then you save your box. We're gonna ship you, or I should say from Philips, you're gonna get that $10 debit card shipped to you that then you could use anywhere your little heart's desires. Daniela Galdi is joining us. She's one of our Sonicare experts, always helps us smile a little brighter. And in this case, it's a brighter smile. It's oral health, and it's even more comfortable. What is a water flosser?
Absolutely. So a water flosser is going to be, maybe sometimes at the dentist you find this, right? They go around the teeth. The water flosser is a pressurized system that is going to take the particles in your mouth, but not only on the surface, underneath the gums, in and around the teeth, and it's going to blast those particles that cause bacteria, the plaque, the tartar, anything that is living in there, and it's going to blast it out.
Because traditionally I'd have to like wrap the flosser on each of the fingers, and maybe I could comfortably get in like my front 2-3 teeth, but when you gotta like get in the back, it's really tricky. Can you show us how this works and
absolutely.
how it can really help kind of take the place of traditional flossing?
Yes, and I'm so glad that you mentioned about floss because it is better than floss, right? So it's going to be more effective, especially with your toothbrush. That's my process at home. I use the flosser and I use the power toothbrush, right? And I went to the dentist, and you know what the hygienist and the dentist both said to me? They both said, your teeth look beautiful, keep doing what you're doing. I said, okay, I'm gonna keep using my Sonicare. So you can see, I get very close to the gum line, everyone at home. I always say it's a point and press. You don't wanna push power just yet. You've got 3 intensity settings that are just gonna blast right now we have broccoli living in our teeth, right? It's just gonna blast it right out. Now, what you heard was the quad pacer. So you will actually be able to do a 60-second overall clean with this power flosser 1 time a day, and I'm just going to push power to stop so I can turn these teeth real quick, and you can see the difference there, right, from the back to the front. I can never get in the back of my teeth. It's always
really tricky.
Yes, especially with the floss, my hands, my mouth is always small. That was what the dentist was always saying to me: is you're not flossing enough, you're not getting back there, right? So with this nozzle, you can.
When I go for my 6-month cleaning and checkup, the hygienist at my office, she uses a water flosser on my teeth. So here's the deal. We're going to talk a little bit about why Philips. So that 99.9%, Daniela, that removes more plaque.
Removes more plaque, and you're going to get 99.9% removal of the plaque biofilm that lives there. Again, everybody at home, that plaque biofilm, we're going to do a little fill up here. That plaque biofilm, you can see it goes in between, right? That lives up in the gums. You're not getting that with floss. You're getting it with the power flosser, but you're not getting it with the regular old string floss, right? So you can see people with braces, anybody at home, like I had cavities building. I just had a baby, so I was very, very conscious with my oral care because you're more sensitive.
Good point.
And it just wasn't cutting it.
Okay, here's the deal. While you fill that back up, let me show you your 2 choices. Because when you pick up on a Philips Sonicare, this is a cordless flosser. You could use it in the shower. You're gonna have a battery life of 14 days, so you charge it up and then it's good to go. You're also getting multiple nozzles. So you choose the white, and then you have your choice of the mint. Everybody gets 3 nozzles. This is that quad stream, which feels really gentle. This one you're probably gonna use every day. Now, if you get that popcorn kernel or that one little target area or something gets tucked underneath, then you go to the traditional nozzle. This is a little bit more targeted. Normally, this is an $85 water flosser. You cannot put a price on oral health, taking care of your gums. That is a big pillar in your overall health and wellness. It's now $69.98. That's a special big deal price that we just kicked off today for President's Day sale and for Saturday Morning Q. You're also going to get a $10 rebate. So save your bottle or your box that it comes in. The instructions will come with you. You can submit. So now it should be $69.98. You get that extra 50.
Oh, yeah.
Or I should say that extra 10. It's $59.98. That's really coming out of your bank total. It's V88011. Put it in your cart and check out, because nothing works better than a water flosser when it comes to removing plaque and buildup. So show me just without the water how it works.
Exactly. I want to walk everybody through it. And I'm so glad you mentioned about the clean, because think about how much money you're spending on at the dentist if you have anything that you need work on. So with this, you can see I can easily take it on and off. We've got the filter inside. That's that little, I call it the engine, right? It gets it going. You put the water in there. You've got a reservoir of over 8 ounces, and it's so convenient. You can either fill it up from there with the flosser.
Okay.
If you don't want to take it apart, right?
Sure.
Or you can go ahead and just real quick fill it up at the sink. You can use mouthwash. You can do warm water if your gums are a little bit more sensitive, right?
Oh, yeah.
And then you've got the 3 intensities here. So again, I always tell everyone, when there's water in here, don't push that power button. You will be cleaning your shower instead of your teeth. So right here's the power button, and this is the intensity. If you're new to power flossing, I highly suggest start with that low button, right? The higher you go, low, medium, high, you're gonna get the most effective. You're gonna get that power button. Don't push that till it's in your mouth. And then from here, you've got the nozzle that manually twists, right? And we also have the quad stream that shoots out in 4 different directions, everyone. So it's got 4-way jet, which means you're getting 9 times the coverage. And you're getting that rubber piece that's a little different than the standard nozzle that's gonna feel really great against your gums. So I say with the standard single nozzle, you wanna go around the teeth, right?
And
so
that's
this
like
is
going to be
popcorn kernel,
more
right?
of a gentler
Yeah, you'll feel
nozzle.
a little bit gentler in this one, and you're gonna get, again, that 9 times coverage stream,
here's
so you
the-
can see the difference there.
And this is if you've got that little target area, like that popcorn kernel. You might also just like the way this one fits. Or feels. Right here, take a look at the top features for this flosser.
So right here, the quad stream technology, you can see it shoots out in the 4 different directions there. You've got that pressurized system that's gonna get in and around the gums. And you see, it splashes or blasts off what's on the surface, but what's underneath is what matters. We hear that all the time. What's inside matters.
Oh, yeah.
Those are the differences between the tooth streams, and you get that 9 times coverage. That is a quick clean. It's recommended 60-second overall clean for the day, that one-time flossing. I was telling Ellie I like to take a little bit longer, right? Because it feels so good. But you can get all around the teeth, the braces, any type of dental work you've got going on there. The visual is amazing. So on the surface for me, I definitely always saw a difference in between my teeth.
Right.
Once I started using this.
Feels so
nice.
good. But remember, when you go to your dentist and they clean your teeth, and then you look in the mirror in the car and you're thinking, my teeth almost look whiter because they're cleaner. It's like the deep clean. This can help remove more plaque, 99.9% than just your traditional flossing. So you're not only gonna feel it, you're gonna see the difference. Grab the white, and then we also have that pretty mint. It takes up no more than like the little cup that you put your toothbrushes in.
It's so fun.
$69.98 plus you've got that $10 rebate, and you get 2 of the quad stream nozzles. So 3 nozzles total. Daniela, thank you so much.
you.
Go snuggle that sweet little baby. Oh. Okay, so we talk about great oral health. How about the health of a good wardrobe? It all starts with that foundation layer, and in this case, it's all about